Why Prompt Engineering Matters. English version with full course roadmap. Title: Why Prompt Engineering Matters. Drive. Ashkan AI. Hello everyone. I'm Drive. Ashkan, from the great artificial intelligence company Drive. Ashkan AI. Welcome back to our course on prompt engineering. In our first lesson, we learned what a prompt is. We said a prompt is simply the instruction you give to an AI system like ChatGPT or DALL-E. And we learned that the clearer your prompt, the better the AI understands you. Now, before we start today's lesson, let me remind you of the big roadmap of this course. This course is divided into several simple lessons, step by step. What is prompt engineering? Understand the basics in simple words. Why prompt engineering matters. Why clear prompts change everything. Applications of prompt engineering. How it is used in real life, from chatbots to creative writing. What do prompt engineers do? Learn about this new and exciting job. Does ChatGPT use prompt engineering? A behind-the-scenes look. Skills you need for prompt engineering: communication, creativity, and more. Do you need programming? The truth about coding in prompt engineering. Why prompt engineering is important in generative AI, the real reason this skill matters. Practical examples and exercises. We will practice prompts together. Final tips and conclusion: how you can continue learning and using AI effectively. So, keep this roadmap in mind. Each lesson is a new step that will take you closer to mastering prompt engineering. Now, let's move to today's topic. Why does prompt engineering matter? Here's the truth. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. The results you get from AI depend directly on the prompts you give. A weak prompt gives weak answers. A strong, clear prompt gives powerful results. Think of it like Google search. If you type just weather, you get random results. But if you type weather in Paris tomorrow at 10 a.m., you get exactly what you want. Another example is cooking. If you say, "Make me food," the chef might cook something you don't like. But if you say, "Make spaghetti with tomato sauce, extra cheese, and no garlic," you'll get exactly what you asked for. That's exactly how prompt engineering works. It saves you time. It makes AI more reliable. It turns AI into your smart assistant. And this is why companies today are hiring prompt engineers. Because they know the quality of prompts equals the quality of results. So, here's the golden rule you should never forget. Good prompts equals good AI. That's why prompt engineering matters. It's the bridge between human creativity and the power of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned, because in the next lesson we will explore the real-life applications of prompt engineering.